Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. Guys, I got this, when did I get this? I don't even remember when I got this, last year. I got this Northern Lights and I was going to do something with it and I didn't finish I didn't even start it. All I did was start one little thing. But anyway, so I want to use this paper. Remember guys, I told you I didn't want to hoard. So thinking about this paper, I placed a small ASC Craft Supply order. So keep in mind that this is what I'm going to use with the following supplies that I'm going to show you. So I ordered some Cora Projects Faux Leather in this really beautiful baby blue, and that's $6.90. I think that's a good price actually. $6.90 is good. And then of course I had to order some flowers. It's hard for me to place an order and not order flowers, but these are so gorgeous. So this package of flowers was $1.90. Awesome price for handmade flowers. And then this one is a 20 pack 10 millimeter open roses. It's $2.70, but you know, we get quite a few in there. Okay, so I ordered those. I ordered another resin piece because these are so pretty, guys. I just love these. I don't know what I'll do with it just yet, but I just love these. It's the Prima Memory Hardware by Frank Garcia, and these are just so pretty. I mean, we can do so much with these. So I ordered another one of these, and then I ordered 2 pieces of their acetate, and I just love these. And then I also ordered I've never ordered any of their shakers, so I ordered the 10 centimeter shaker part. And I don't know exactly how it goes, but I'm sure, I think it's got its own acetate piece already. So that's pretty cool. And then I ordered the Mente Chippies album base. So I don't know exactly how to put this together. It's all chipboard, so that's kind of thick. But I like my shutters, guys. So I don't know, this is pretty thick, but we're going to figure it out. We are going to figure this out, how to make a mini album with this. And this actually is a really good price. $5.10. I mean, these are your base pages. They're already made. They're already cut to the exact measurements you need. I think that's a really, really great deal. And then there's that paper again, guys. I'm gonna collect all of those and just use it on a project. But anyway, I did pick that up, and this is very interesting. They have other shapes. They have a house, I believe they have a heart, they have other shapes, so this is not the only one that that they have. I'm going to leave a link in the description box with all these items, and I'm going to tell you that right now they are having a clearance on some paper pads that have damaged corners. You know, when, you know, in shipping the corners get bent or whatever. I think that the prices that they have for their clearance are amazing. So anyway, I thought I would share that with you and let you know about the sale that they're having, or the clearance that they're having, and show you my haul. All right guys, I will talk to you later. You have a wonderful day, and guys, don't forget that thumbs up. I appreciate it. It helps out with the algorithm on YouTube, and it just helps all the way around. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, I would be honored if you did. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot, guys.